Hello, Shiru.
Who are you?
I'm you from the past.
No, that's not true. I'm not even 99 Slayer.
Listen, you have to achieve what I failed.
So what should I do?
Get a max cape. And don't forget, you are clue locked.
The thing is about Sherlock, he can give you some challenges that really suck. I need 82 fishing and I'm 71. As the mysterious stranger said, I'm clue locked, so I have to do the next clue. So my goal is to get fishing as fast as possible, but here we get a agility level. Not really fishing, no. Well, cooking is half fishing. And here we get 68 farming. And 66 fletching. Another cooking level, 73 cooking. And yes, 74 cooking. Just what I asked for. And finally, the first fishing level, 76 fishing. We can now fish sharks. Oof, that takes a long time. Of course the next level is not fishing, but we are now 68 smithing. And also not fishing, another fletching level, 67 fletching. Back to back fletching levels, 68 fletching. And here we have it, after killing Hespori, we are 69 farming now. Nice! And a sweet chill prayer level on my back. You see in the chat, I forgot it. I'm 75 defense now. And a juicy angel shard on the floor. Same Slayer task, and here we have 78 attack. Bolting some demons and they give me 80 Slayer. I can now kill Necriels. Every week I can drink some snake tears and it gives me 62 construction. Oh really? Serious? Farming? A man of few qualities? But hey, 70 farming. As you can see in my recordings, I'm not really sticking to the plan to just fish. I'm at thieving currently for a reason, probably. Yeah. Another thieving level, 72 thieving. And because it's so fast, 73 thieving. 74 and 75 thieving. 75 thieving was my last requirement for the hard Remanic diary, so I just did the easy, the medium and the hard Remanic diary, and I get some nice XP lamps, which of course I'm using into Herblore. And just like that, 66 Herblore. Also something you should know, I can now build a portal in my own house that can teleport me to Troll Stronghold just to a herb patch, which is really nice. Well, we just missed the sound of Sea Engineer, so collection log slot completed. I got a dust battle staff from a superior monster, and yeah, it's a little bit unlucky, but I take it, it's a really good staff. If you do farming with trees, the levels really fly by. It's 71 farming currently on the account. I'm crafting my daily dose of battle staffs, and this one gives me actually 71 crafting. You see me just casually killing the last boss from Remanic Exiles. And quest completed.
This guy's unbelievable. Doing diaries, now doing quests. Where's the fishing part?
I finally have a perfect teleport to this herb patch and it gives me 72 farming. Smithing some balls and it gives me 69 smithing. Nice. You see it right. I have a fishing level for you. 77 fishing. And guess what? Another fishing level. 78 fishing. We getting closer.
Finally.
A Barrows portal in your player owned house is very efficient for your Barrows runs. So I just built that in the house. Collection log slot completed. On chest 137 we got a Gotham's helmet. Collect. Wait. A back? To back? After 20 chests, the same item? Really? Collection log slot completed. Okay. Well, not really the item I wanted. Collection log slot completed. I finally got a tank body. Now I have a thorax plate body, which was just needed for the account. All this fighting added up. I'm 89 hit points now.
Enough is enough. Neef, you know what to do. Your new task is to kill 146 Dagonaut Kings.
Okay, darling, but first I have to do a birdhouse run. And this birdhouse gives me 72 crafting. Wait, why do I hear boss music?
You get banished into this pit. You will encounter Supreme that will range you for 30, Rex that melees you for 26, and Prime that will mate you for 50. Good luck.
Collection log slot completed. On KC222 we get the Berserker Ring. This is now one of my best strength bonus items. I finally got my item that I wanted from Rex, so I don't have to kill him anymore. Now we kill Prime and Supreme.
Collection log slot completed.
Away! A Sears ring at 29 kc is just sweet.
Collection log slot completed.
No! Oh, no way! Another collection log slot item from Prime. Now we just have to pet for Prime and for Rex, and the only ring and only collection log slot item that's missing is from Supreme. So he's the last one that I have to kill.
Wait, he's getting 2 spooned. Back to fishing you go.
But first, give me some Tears of Gootix. So I went back to fishing and got another level 79 fishing. Hespor is just too good to skip. It gives 12.6k farming XP every time you kill him. And yeah, that's just adding up, and we now 73 farming. Me just casually flinching Chaos Elemental, while... Why do I hear boss music? Oh, PKS, cool.
Dying on my hot Ironman.
Nay. Nay. And this is how you lose a fire cape. Yeah, I was happy. Really happy. But hey, at least chat is easy. Well, if you're stupid, I guess. But hey, just send it for another try. Dying on my hardcore Ironman. Completed. Dying the same way as before is just gigabrain stupid. Oh, finally, boss music!
That task completed.
Hey, at least I made it even if I got hit. The cape is back on my back, so I'm glad that happened. I have some good news for you. I don't need 82 fishing. I just need 79, just what I have. I can harpoon spec myself and gives me 3+ levels in fishing. So with this boosted fishing level I can actually catch an angler's fish and I can do finally this master clue step. Oh boy, Sherlock, this was a nice one. Glad I'm done. Thank you for the next step. What do I get? After such a long grind, of course it gives me a deep wilderness clue step, so I came prepared and I did it. Show this to Sherlock. No. Hello friend, what do I have to do? Please, please be kind to me. Please. Well, I can do that actually. I'm glad that some steps just takes me 5 minutes instead of 5 weeks. Hey bro, I'm sooner here than you expected. Easy. Easy. Those ancient clowns don't stand a chance against me. Next step is to visit my old Fremenic friend Fellow the Bard. Fellow wants an item, so I have to give him one, and he wants from me a Green Man's Ale M. Great. I don't have the resources for the Green Man's Ale M, so I have to farm some hops first. Did you ever brewed beer in RuneScape? Me neither. I had to Google this recipe for the Green Man's Ale. And yeah, you have to put some ingredients in this barrel and then wait for like 2-3 days. I don't know how long it took, but yeah, it was just annoying. I mean, I'm so close, but yet so far. Finishing off my Dagonov task, and I got 76 defense. I think I got this mining level for editing the first video you saw. So 76 mining from editing a video. Still waiting for my beer to mature, and yeah, I did the Lumbridge Heart Diary, which gives me a better ring, unlimited teleports to the cabbage field, and a XP lamp from 50,000k into Herblore. And we finally can take my beer, the Green Man's Ale as required, just brewed from myself. Hey, okay, this stands for good luck. We get a genie right before we finish our master clue. It is the second master clue of this account. Oh, please. Yeah, can I give it to you? And here it is, the master casket. Please. Yep, it's me. Before I'm ending this video, you should know that I did a ton of hard and easy clues through this video, and it would be a shame to not include it, so I just kept them away, and I'll show you the clips now.
Slot completed. Action log slot completed. Collection log slot completed. Collection log slot complete. Collection log slot complete.
Please. What? Oh no! I can't. Yo, what is this for a master clue step? It is insane. Fuck me. What a mistake.